Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Mentimeter into Canva right now. I am signed into Canva and I am on the main dashboard. Embedding interactive tools like Mentimeter is a great way to make your Canva presentations more engaging, especially for classrooms, workshops, webinars, and live trainings. First, click Create on the left side. You can choose any format you want. In this example, I will select a presentation template, but it really does not matter. Canva will open a blank page where you can place your embed. Canva presentations support live embedded content, so anything you add here will also work when you publish or present your design. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand menu and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Embed and press Enter. You will see a blue icon called Embed. Click on it. Then select Open. This is the tool we will use to insert the Mentimeter link. Canva's Embed tool works for many different platforms such as Google Forms, Typeform, Calendly, Spotify, and more. So once you learn this method, you can embed lots of other interactive elements too. Now we need the Mentimeter embed link. Go to your Mentimeter account. If you are not logged in, sign in first. You can either create a brand new Mentimeter or use one you already made. I already created a poll, so I will open it. Once your Mentimeter presentation is open, go to the top right corner and click Share. Here you will see a participation link. You can try copying this link and pasting it into Canva, but usually this link includes extra invitation elements and borders, which we do not want. So instead, close the Share window, go back to your Menti page, and simply copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. This will embed only your presentation without extra elements. This step is important because it keeps your embed clean and focused, especially if you're designing a professional layout. Go back to Canva, paste your link into the embed box, and click Add to Design. After a moment, your Mentimeter presentation will load inside your Canva canvas. As you can see, this one displays correctly and only shows the quiz without the extra invitation frame. You can resize it, move it, or position it however you like in your design. You can add titles, instructions, or graphics around the embedded element to match your presentation style. Adding headings or call to action prompts can help guide participants on how to vote or interact during your session. Inside Mentimeter, you also have the option to adjust things like access code expiration. If you want your Menti link active longer, for example 14 days, you can update that setting before sharing. This helps if you are embedding this for a live event or ongoing activity. For long-term use, you may also want to check your audience access settings to make sure participants don't need an account or special permissions. That is how you embed Mentimeter inside Canva quickly and cleanly. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides like this. I post more Canva tricks, interactive tool tutorials, and ways to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging.